Simplify each expression. We have negative 16 divided by 2 plus 5. We have to memorize that when we have integers, the order operation applies to integer as well as positive number operations. So first we have to do division and next addition. So we have negative 16 divided by 2. Negative. First we have to check the sign. Negative number divided by positive number. When we divide negative number by positive, the answer is negative. The same rule is for multiplication. When we multiply negative times positive, the answer is negative. So it means when one of two numbers is negative, when we multiply them or we divide them, the answer is negative. So the answer from negative 16 divided by 2 will be negative. And now we have to divide 16 by 2. And we have to copy plus 5. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite. 16 divided by 2 is 8 plus 5 we have. We have addition of two integers. One is negative, one positive. So first, when we have mixed numbers, one positive, one negative, first we check which of these two numbers is greater. We forget about the signs. We just check the numbers. 8 is greater than 5. So we check next the sign before the larger number is negative. So we copy this negative sign and in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 8 minus 5. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite. 8 minus 5 is 3. So the answer will be negative 3. Next example. We have 48 divided by negative 8 plus 4. We have division and addition. First, we have to do division. So we have 48 divided by negative 8. So first, remember the rule. When we divide positive number by negative or negative by positive, we have negative by positive. So positive by negative number, the answer is also negative. It's like the same for multiplication. When we multiply two numbers and one of them is negative. When we divide two numbers and one of them is negative, the answer is negative. So for the division of these two first numbers, the answer will be negative. And now in parentheses we have to divide 48 by 8 and plus 40 we have. So this is equal. Negative sign we will have to rewrite. 48 divided by 8 is 6 and we have plus 40. We have addition of two integers. One is positive, one negative. When they are opposite, one is positive, one negative. And we have to add them. First we check which of these two numbers is greater. 4 is greater than 6. So we check the sign before the larger number is positive. So we copy positive sign and in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. So this is equal. Positive sign we don't have to write. So we have 40 minus 6 is 34. This is the answer to the second example. And the last example, we have negative 63 divided by negative 3 minus 8. We have division and subtraction. The order of operation for positive numbers and negative is the same. So first we have to start from division. Next we will do subtraction. We have division of two negative numbers. When we divide two negative numbers or we multiply two negative numbers, the answer is always positive. So the answer will be positive and we have to just divide 63 by 3 and minus 8 we have to rewrite. So this is equal. Positive sign we don't have to write. 63 divided by 3 is 21 minus 8. So this is equal. 21 minus 8 is 13. This is my solution.